Hi everyone, welcome back, and for those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Michael Marion and I am a certified public accountant at Marion & Associates LLC. We have decided to start to put together a series of videos containing hot topic issues after seeing all the mistakes that have been made by individuals preparing their own tax returns. We hope these videos will provide those individuals with the knowledge needed to prepare their own tax return or to know when to seek the advice of a tax professional. Please make sure to subscribe so you do not miss any new videos when they get released. Please comment below if there's a certain topic that you would like to learn more about. If we see a lot of people interested in that same topic, we will be sure to release a video on that specific issue. So let's begin.
In today's episode, we are going to be talking about who needs to issue 1099s. We have noticed businesses who do not feel the need to issue Form 1099 miscellaneous, and even more individuals out there who do not know they have a requirement to issue Form 1099 miscellaneous. The new IRS Commissioner stated that they plan on upping enforcement and compliance. Therefore, we thought it was necessary to go over the penalties for late filing and non-filing of Form 1099 miscellaneous. As you can see, the penalties are steep and can increase very quickly. Therefore, if you are required to issue Form 1099 miscellaneous, make sure you do so by the appropriate due date. We will go over the due dates later on. Let's continue on with the episode and start with the basics. First, what is Form 1099 miscellaneous? Form 1099 miscellaneous is an IRS issued form that business owners must use to report payments to non-employees such as subcontractors, landlords, lawyers, and accountants. One of the most useful tools for a business owner is Form W-9. We highly recommend that all business owners have all non-employees fill out this form prior to sending them payment. The most important section of Form W-9 is Section 3. This is the section where the non-employee will indicate what type of entity they are. If they indicate that they're an individual, single-member LLC, partnership, trust or estate, or a limited liability company with the tax classification as a partnership, you must issue them a 1099. If they indicate that they are a C corporation, S corporation, or have the tax classification of a C or S corporation, you do not have to issue them a 1099 unless it is a payment to a lawyer. Now that we know which type of entities are required to receive 1099s, we are going to go over which non-employees you are required to issue 1099s to. A business owner is required to issue Form 1099 to all non-employees whom they pay with cash or check, $600 or more during the year. During this presentation, we are going to be looking at amounts reported in Box 1, 7, and 14. An important note, if you pay with a credit card, do not issue a 1099 miscellaneous. The credit card company is required to issue Form 1099-K showing that transaction. Box 1 on Form 1099 miscellaneous is for rents. If you rent a space and pay a landlord, you should have them fill out Form W-9 to determine if they are required to receive Form 1099. If they are, and you pay them $600 or more during the year, you need to issue them a 1099 miscellaneous. Box 7 on Form 1099 miscellaneous is for non-employee compensation. Examples include carpenter, electrician, plumber, cleaner, and some that people typically forget about are business consultants, engineer, and even your accountant. If you are going to be paying any non-employees during the year, you should have them fill out Form W-9 and determine if they are required to receive Form 1099. If they are, and you pay them $600 or more during the year, you need to issue them a 1099 miscellaneous. Box 14 on Form 1099 miscellaneous is for amounts paid to an attorney. If you are expecting to pay an attorney $600 or more during the year, you need to issue them a 1099 miscellaneous. It does not matter what type of entity they are set up as. Form 1099 Miscellaneous has certain due dates. If there are amounts in Box 7, they are due by January 31st. Amounts in any other boxes are due by February 28th if filing by paper, and April 1st if filing electronically. During this episode, we have learned that businesses are required to issue a 1099 miscellaneous to any non-employee whom they pay via cash or check $600 or more during the tax year. If the business pays a non-employee with a credit card, no 1099 miscellaneous should be issued. Make sure to have all non-employees provide a completed Form W-9 prior to payment. Review subcontractors' Form W-9 to determine if a 1099 miscellaneous needs to be issued. 1099 miscellaneous Box 7 is due on January 31st. All others are due February 28th if filing by paper, and April 1st if filing electronically. Lastly, penalties have significantly increased for not issuing 1099 miscellaneous. The information presented in this episode is based on the 2018 tax rules, is for informational purposes only, and is not considered guidance from the IRS that can be relied on. If you are starting to feel that you need a professional to prepare your tax return, be sure to check out Marion & Associates LLC. We are a family-run practice located in Exton, Pennsylvania that specializes in personal and business income tax return preparation, as well as tax strategies to minimize your future tax obligations. Our firm wants to form a long-lasting relationship with you and your family, not just be another tax preparer. We hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for tuning in.